First of all, SEARCA is an intergovernment organization. We are Center for Agriculture, and the fact that most of the poor in the different countries of Southeast Asia reside in the rural areas. We're more concerned about poverty and food security, naturally, because this is the lifeblood, the lifeblood of most countries, and the idea is really to address concerns of people who live in these areas. In terms of food security, we feel that there are certain areas that we must focus on, particularly in the next 5 years. One is the factor of globalization. Certain countries in the region are more advanced than others, and if you translate that, some are more industrialized compared to others, and therefore we feel that there is some sort of trade-off in terms of food security. Some countries can afford food, while others struggle to provide the food for their population. So that's one area that we'd like to focus on. The other is this idea about the degradation of natural resources. Food basically comes from agricultural production, and therefore we're concerned with the medium or the media by which food is produced. Therefore, land degradation, deforestation, natural resource deterioration is a big concern, and therefore we think that some of these problems should be addressed in that sense. The other thing that seems to be emerging as a problem related to food security, it's not really a problem, but something that is emerging that has implications on food security, is the gene revolution. Biotech, biofuels, all these will impact on how much food we can produce. And as a center, we feel that certain technologies, particularly in biotech, could help address at least the supply of food that is in scarcity, and therefore it's a very important factor in food security. So these are the things that our center would like to concentrate on, and that's precisely why we are in attendance in this particular conference. I think basically that's our perspective of food security. And definitely, I feel that the social aspects is one gap. The social aspects of food security is one gap that we should focus more attention to. The technical aspects are well covered, but such things as at the household level, how do government interventions in terms of food security programs, how do they affect the household? Are there any success stories in terms of recent government interventions trying to address the adequacy of food at the household level? These certain interactions between even social within the social hierarchy, the rich versus or the rich, those who could afford food versus those who are at a subsistence level. I think these are factors that should be looked into within the sphere of addressing food security.